Happy Friday, everyone. Eric here with Himmel Farm Adventures, back with some more shenanigans. This time, super excited. I got this here RZR, all muddy, at Haspin Acres. That was fun. This is going to be so wonderful. I can't wait to clean this thing. I mean, that's how excited I am. Can't even take it. But anyways, let's get into it. So, last weekend, Haspin Acres. As you guys seen in my last video. So I bought these angel eyes. These guys right here. Oh, nice. Yeah, look nice. Yeah. Until you start bounce around and the pin comes out of the connector. So now I've already done this side. Turn the camera up a little bit. As you can see right there. I'm just going to hardwire them and then leave this main connector here as my disconnect. So you, sir, can go to hell. Not you guys. So, yeah. And I also realized about a month ago, I dropped the skid plate underneath the RZR and realized that now I have a touch of OCD. So now when I clean this thing, I know that there's mud and crap and black mud. If you've been off-road before, you know what black mud is. I don't need to explain that. So, yeah, again, super excited about doing this. Let's do it. Keep procrastinating. But first, I got to drop this skid plate because I know there's mud there. And I don't care what kind of pressure washer you got. You're not getting it all out without dropping it. So let's do it. All right. Fun times, fun times. I do this because I like it. I like to get muddy. Oh yeah. That's nice. Very nice. Hey. Got these little spacers. I don't know if you can see this. I'll show them too when I come back up. Do not lose the spacers, people. Because these holes in here are roughly about an inch in diameter. There's that. You know, a smart man would have grabbed his creeper. I never claimed to be smart, though. So that's all good. So, there's the spacers. Don't lose them. They're expensive. Well, consider what your means of expensive are. If you're in a RZR, you're kind of numb to it. So, get these zipped off. Another spacer cometh with. Yeah, mud in the face. Tastes good. It's good for you. It's got vitamins and vitamin C and D and Z and all that stuff. Hey, what's wrong with you? Are you stuck? Are you stucketh? It's like, no. No, sir, I'm not stuck. I'm just waiting for you to get your whole body underneath here so that I can slam down on you. That's what I'm waiting for. That would be awesome. This is neat. Now the bolt hiding in the mud. Come on, baby. There iseth no boltus left. What is holding you? What is wrong? Search your feelings, RZR. Hey. I don't need your lip. Seriously. There has to be another bolt hidden in all this mud. By golly, I think he's found it. Like I said, it's just waiting for me to get my entire body under here and then it'll drop down. Where is it? Good for you. Yep. Told you. Skid plate on face. Very good. That's okay. Oh, these washers are falling down. It's okay. It'll be fine. You can just order more. La la. Hello. Where you at? My friend? Hello? Where is it you? Don't ask what that was. I have no clue where the hell that came from. Woo. Skid plate 1. Skid places 2. That's the middle one. Still got one more. Okay. More torture. It's fine. It's okay. No pain, no gain, right? Or no pain, or all the pain, no gain, whatever the hell. However the hell it goes. Some pain, no pain. I don't know. I just don't know, okay? Stop yelling at me. Wolf. What makes you special? Excuse me, sir. Gotcha. Oh, yeah. Are you going to drop on my face? Is that like a special request I have to do, or that's something you can just straight deliver to me? Girl. I think it's that is. Maybe. I don't know, Scott. Wash. 2 more washers. Where is it? I feel like I got mud in my ear. Pretty good possibility. cometh with you. Uh-oh. Found the last bolt again. Oh. That definitely went in the ear. That's fine. I don't know why you're complaining. It's just dirt. Ah. Yes. We are free. Free? Can't talk today. We are free of skip plates. Alright, I'm back. I have a smart valve in my water line up at the house. I gotta get to my app because I was recording. Shut the recording off, turn the app on. Bing bing. Bing bong. We're back in the game. Get all the air out. Just gonna kind of pre-soak this thing. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? Just put the fitting back in here and get some more pressure. Yay! La 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 la. La 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 la. Come up. There you go. Hey! Take it thy seats out. Perfect. Okay, lay you down next to your brother. Stick. Oh, that didn't go as planned. It's fine. So, hey, I'm missing some bolts. You don't need bolts, do you? I don't need bolts. I need bolts for. Of course, the last time I said we don't need bolts, I ended up smacking the ground at 125 miles an hour. Let's rock. Okay, fine. I want to be closed. Close. All right. Yeehaw! Ah! Forgot to tell me about this. Heh. Alright, now I'm done. I think. Probably not. That's alright. Alright. Let them dry. Gotta get some bolts. Some boats. Here's these. More washers. Make sure I'm not missing any washers. All right. Hopefully that was as exciting for you as it was for me. As you can see. A little wet, a little muddy. But hey, tractor's clean. Whew. That was fun and educational. Educational part. I don't know. It's light out. Not sure on the on that part, but hey, if you're gonna have fun getting it muddy, guess you're gonna be miserable cleaning it off. Part of it. Oh, now we got to get Gary, Crystal, and this guy out. Got to get her a little muddy. But that's coming. We got a concert coming up and a few other things that I mentioned in my last video. So, man, such a beautiful day. Look at that. Couple few clouds. Didn't get any better than this. So my next project probably won't be till, I don't know, September, October-ish. This is my nephew's rig. It's a geo tracker. It's got, I think, 620 or 630 gears, ARB lockers front and rear, tractor tires, full inside custom roll cage. Anybody remembers the old wheeling group at Haspin called Got Mud? I think the guy's name was Leroy. That was his Jeep. This is his, and my nephew bought off him. And it's got a hole in the front diff. I'll put a new axle in it, put the third member back in, make sure ARB is okay. I got to get her out of there and in my garage. But that'll be for another day, because that's a two-person job. I need one person steering, one person towing. Nah, I've still got to clean that. I've cleaned enough for the day. Gonna let the RZR dry out a little bit, put the skid plates back on her, wipe her down. I got some new plastic detail spray stuff I'm gonna put on. Might do a video of it, might not. I don't know. Depends how I'm feeling. So yeah. Oh, one other thing. So my rims, I guess the colors couldn't hold up to the color of the rim, couldn't hold up to the abuse of a pressure washer. And I pressure washed some of the paint off. So can't have that. I got a local guy that does powder coating. But my question is, I'm gonna leave it up to you guys so you can see all the paint that came off. That's minor. Yeah, that. Unacceptable there, System 3 off-road rims. Come on. They're off-road. Why are these? I don't know if they're powder coated. I don't know what kind of paint they use. All came off. So now I'm gonna pay to have them powder coated, but should I do them in the yellow? That's my accent color. My seats and suspension. And should I do them black? Should I do them bronze? Blue? I don't know. I'm just throwing colors at this point. Yeah. So let me know down in the comments what color you think I should have these things powder coated. Yeah. Till then, I'll take a picture after I detail all the plastics and everything. I don't think I'm gonna do a video. I'll just do an after picture. But as we say in the off-road industry here, when out wheeling, when in doubt, throttle out. You can't throttle out, I don't know, you're screwed. Now, all gas, no cable. Till next time, y'all have a great weekend. See ya.